Today, you're going to hear 35 real airport phrases, the ones passengers and staff actually use at check-in counters, security lines, boarding gates, and baggage claim. These are the phrases that work in any American or international airport. You can listen while commuting, while packing, or on your way to the airport right now. Every phrase comes with a real example. Listen once, then listen again with the repeat prompts. Let's start. Group 1. At the check-in counter. 1. I'd like to check in for my flight. This is how you open the conversation at the counter. It's direct, polite, and expected by every agent. Excuse me, I'd like to check in for my flight to Los Angeles. Repeat after me. I'd like to check in for my flight. 2. I have one carry-on and one checked bag. Say this before the agent asks. It moves things along and avoids confusion. I have one carry-on and one checked bag. The checked one is the large blue suitcase. Repeat after me. I have one carry-on and one checked bag. 3. Can I have a window seat? Simple, everyday request at the counter. Works on any flight, any airline. Can I have a window seat? It's a red eye and I'm planning to sleep. Repeat after me. Can I have a window seat? These phrases work at any airline counter, domestic or international. 4. My bag is a little over the weight limit. Use this when your luggage is slightly too heavy and you want to negotiate or explain before paying a fee. My bag is a little over the weight limit. Is there anything I can do, or can I move some things to my carry-on? Repeat after me. My bag is a little over the weight limit. 5. Is my flight on time? The most useful question at any airport. Short, clear, and always relevant, especially when the screens aren't updated. Excuse me, is my flight on time? I have a pretty tight connection in Atlanta. Repeat after me. Is my flight on time? 6. I need to pay the baggage fee. When your bag is overweight or you're adding an extra piece of luggage, this phrase gets the process moving. I need to pay the baggage fee. Do you take credit cards here at the counter? Repeat after me. I need to pay the baggage fee. Quick question. Do you usually check a bag or travel carry-on only? The next phrase is for both. 7. Can I print my boarding pass here? This one saves you when you forgot to print ahead or your phone is dead. I didn't have access to a printer at my hotel last night. Can I print my boarding pass here at the counter? Repeat after me. Can I print my boarding pass here? 8. I'm traveling with a connecting flight. Essential when the agent needs your full itinerary to tag your bags correctly. I'm traveling with a connecting flight through Houston. Do I need to recheck my bag at the layover? Repeat after me. I'm traveling with a connecting flight. 9. How much time do I have before boarding? Ask this right after check-in so you can plan food, shopping, or just finding the gate. How much time do I have before boarding? I want to grab coffee, but I don't want to rush. Repeat after me. How much time do I have before boarding? 9 phrases. Check-in, done. Next stop, security. Group 2 at security. 10. Do I need to take off my shoes? Security rules vary by airport, terminal, and country. Ask before you hold up the line. Do I need to take off my shoes here, or is that only required at certain checkpoints? Repeat after me. Do I need to take off my shoes? 11. I have a laptop in my bag. Say this before placing your bag on the belt. Officers will tell you to remove it, better to be ready. I have a laptop in my bag. Should I take it out and put it in a separate bin? Repeat after me. I have a laptop in my bag. 12. Is this a full body scanner? Useful if you have a medical implant or simply want to understand what's ahead of you in the line. Is this a full body scanner? I have a metal plate in my shoulder from an old injury. Repeat after me. Is this a full body scanner? Security vocabulary. Stay calm. Speak slowly. Make eye contact. 13. I set off the alarm. What should I do? If the metal detector beeps, stay calm and use this phrase. It signals cooperation immediately. I set off the alarm. What should I do? I think it might be my belt buckle or my watch. Repeat after me. I set off the alarm. What should I do? 14. Can I keep my jacket on? A quick, practical question before stepping into the scanner saves awkward guessing. Can I keep my jacket on? Or do I need to put it in the tray with everything else? Repeat after me. Can I keep my jacket on? 15. My liquids are in a clear bag. This tells the officer you're prepared and following protocol. It speeds up the inspection. My liquids are all in a clear bag. Everything is under 100 milliliters. Repeat after me. My liquids are in a clear bag. Pay attention. The next phrase is one most travelers don't think to use until it's too late. 16. Can you check this item manually? Use this if a machine flags something in your bag and you prefer a manual inspection. Rather than having your bag unpacked in public, can you check this item manually? It's a medical device and I'd rather not put it through the scanner. Repeat after me. Can you check this item manually? 17. Where do I collect my belongings? After going through the scanner, this gets you oriented on the other side, especially in large or unfamiliar airports. Where do I collect my belongings? I went through the body scanner, but I don't see my tray on the belt. Repeat after me. Where do I collect my belongings? 18. Is there a pre-check or fast-track lane? This helps you find a shorter line if you're eligible or if you're in a real hurry. Excuse me, is there a pre-check or fast-track lane available for this terminal? Repeat after me. Is there a pre-check or fast-track lane? 18 phrases. Security cleared. Gate time. Group 3. At the gate. 19. What gate is my flight departing from? Boarding gates change, sometimes at the last minute. Always confirm before you settle in somewhere. What gate is my flight departing from? The app says B12, but the screen up there shows a different number. Repeat after me. What gate is my flight departing from? 20? Has boarding started yet? Ask this when you arrive at the gate and the area is crowded or quiet. You can't always tell what's happening. Has boarding started yet? I just came from security and I wasn't sure if I missed the announcement. Repeat after me. Has boarding started yet? 21. Is this the line for group 2? Boarding groups create real confusion when there's a crowd. Confirm before you cut ahead by accident. Excuse me, is this the line for group 2? I don't want to get in front of people who were here first. Repeat after me. Is this the line for group 2? Gate phrases, know these before you hear the announcement, not after. 22. My flight has been delayed. You'll use this when calling or texting someone to update your estimated arrival. Say it clearly and add the time. Hey, my flight has been delayed by about 2 hours. I'll text you when I know more. Repeat after me. My flight has been delayed. 23. Is there an earlier flight I can get on? When your flight is delayed and you have a tight connection or an important reason to arrive sooner, go to the desk and ask directly. My connection in Dallas is really tight. Is there an earlier flight I can get on to make it in time? Repeat after me. Is there an earlier flight I can get on? 24. I missed my connection. If this happens, go directly to the airline service desk and say this phrase immediately. Don't wait. I missed my connection because my first flight landed late. What are my options from here? Repeat after me. I missed my connection. Quick question. Have you ever missed a connection? The next 2 phrases are exactly what you need when that happens. 25. Can I get a meal voucher? When a delay is the airline's fault, especially over 2 or 3 hours, you're often entitled to food compensation? Ask directly and confidently. The delay is already over 3 hours and it's the airline's fault. Can I get a meal voucher while I wait at the gate? Repeat after me. Can I get a meal voucher? 26. Where is the nearest lounge? A lounge makes a long layover significantly more comfortable. Ask at the gate counter or at the information desk. I have a 6-hour layover here. Where is the nearest lounge? And do you know if it's accessible with my ticket? Repeat after me. Where is the nearest lounge? 27. Can I bring this on board as a carry-on? Ask this at the gate if you picked something up at duty-free or if you're unsure whether your bag fits in the overhead bin. I bought this bottle at the duty-free shop after security. Can I bring this on board as a carry-on? Repeat after me. Can I bring this on board as a carry-on? 27 phrases in. Last group, you're landing now. Group 4, arrivals, baggage claim, and customs. 28. Where is baggage claim? Your first question after landing, every single time. Short, clear, and always needed. Excuse me, where is baggage claim for international arrivals? This is my first time in this terminal. Repeat after me. Where is baggage claim? 29. Which carousel is flight 204? Every flight is assigned a belt number at baggage claim. Ask if the screens aren't working or you can't find your flight listed. Which carousel is flight 204 from Toronto? I can't find it on the board anywhere. Repeat after me. Which carousel is flight 204? 30. My bag hasn't come out yet. Say this while waiting. Or use it when explaining the situation to an agent if the belt has stopped and your luggage still isn't there. My bag hasn't come out yet and the belt has completely stopped. Is that normal for this flight? Repeat after me. My bag hasn't come out yet. Baggage and customs. Stay patient, speak clearly, answer directly. 31. I'd like to report a lost bag. If your luggage doesn't arrive, go to the airline's baggage desk before leaving the airport. Use this phrase to start the process. I'd like to report a lost bag. It was a black hardshell suitcase tagged to this flight number. Repeat after me. I'd like to report a lost bag. 32. My bag was damaged during the flight. If your luggage arrives broken, report it at the baggage desk immediately before you leave the baggage area. Don't wait. My bag was damaged during the flight. One of the wheels is completely broken off and the zipper is stuck. Repeat after me. My bag was damaged during the flight. 33. Do I need to declare anything? Ask this at customs if you're carrying food, plants, or goods you're unsure about. It shows good faith. I bought some local food items and a few gifts abroad. Do I need to declare anything on this form? Repeat after me. Do I need to declare anything? Last two phrases, customs and entry. These are short, but they matter. 34. I'm here on vacation. I'm here for business. A standard customs answer. Have your reason ready before you reach the officer. They appreciate a clear, confident reply. I'm here on vacation for 10 days. I'll be staying at a hotel in downtown Chicago before visiting some friends. Repeat after me. I'm here on vacation. I'm here for business. 35. How long can I stay in the country? Ask this at immigration if you need clarification about your visa, entry stamp, or tourist period. I have a tourist visa. How long can I stay in the country before I need to leave or apply for an extension? Repeat after me. How long can I stay in the country? You just heard 35 real airport phrases, from the check-in counter all the way through customs. Listen to this again 2 or 3 times. The goal isn't to memorize every phrase at once. It's to make them feel familiar so they come naturally when you actually need them. Save this video before your next trip. See you in the next one.